Imagine, if you will, your email marketing as a good playlist. Mixing things up keeps it interesting. But why is that important? Well, your subscribers are a diverse crowd. Sure, they all have at least one thing in common. They're all subscribed to your email list, but their reasons for doing so are varied. Some may be looking for a good deal, while others want interesting stories or tips. Sending different types of emails lets you speak everyone's language. Whether it's a cool offer, a helpful guide, or just a friendly update, different emails let you connect in different ways. And hey, it avoids the email snooze. If you keep sending the same stuff, people might get bored or feel overwhelmed. Mixing it up prevents that fatigue and keeps your emails in the spotlight. But it's not just about variety. It's also about meeting different goals. Maybe you want to sell more, share info, or build a tighter bond. Different emails help you hit those targets. And it's also about timing. People go through different phases with your brand. New subscribers deserve a welcome email, while longtime subscribers might need a gentle nudge to re-engage. Tailoring your emails to their journey keeps things relevant. In a nutshell, diverse emails are like the secret sauce in your marketing mix. They keep things fresh, connect with all kinds of subscribers, and help you reach your goals, whether it's making more sales or building strong relationships. In this video, I'll cover some of the different types of emails you absolutely need to be sending to your list. But first, if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Now, let's get started. Deciding where to expend your time and energy is a major challenge for email marketers. Do you spend time generating new subscribers, or is it better to focus on writing different types of emails to convert your subscribers into paying customers? Well, the truth is you need both subscribers and effective emails in order to make email marketing work. But what if I told you you could put your lead generation strategy on autopilot and focus solely on crafting email marketing content? With OptinMonster, you don't have to spend hours of your week focusing on lead capture strategies. Our unique lead generation software features an intuitive drag-and-drop builder, page-level targeting, exit intent technology, and powerful A/B testing features, all of which work together and allow you to focus on what really matters, crafting emails that engage your subscribers. Get started with OptinMonster today and start converting more website visitors into subscribers and customers. Use the discount code I've left in the description to save even more on your purchase. Now, let's dive into those different email types. First up is the welcome email.
Welcome!
And while it may be a no-brainer, don't let it become an afterthought. This is your only chance to make a great first impression in your new subscribers' inbox. Send your welcome email within 24 hours of your subscriber opting into your list. Thank them for subscribing and let them know what they can expect to receive from you. By setting expectations up front, your new subscribers won't get any unpleasant surprises in their inbox. You may also consider sending a discount or special offer in your welcome email. If you have a SaaS product, your welcome email should include onboarding information with a call to action to get started using your product. For more inspiration, read our post on highly effective welcome emails and even snag a template or two. Offer emails are like your brand's secret weapon for getting people excited and taking action. These are the emails that shout, "Hey, we've got something special just for you." Why are they a big deal? Well, first off, they're your ticket to driving sales. Everyone loves a good deal, right? Throw in a discount, a buy one get one free, or a limited time offer, and you've got people clicking that buy now button. But it's not just about sales. Offering exclusive deals to your subscribers builds a bond. It's like saying you're part of the VIP club. This keeps folks sticking around and coming back for more. And here's the cool part. Offers aren't just about selling stuff. They help you grow your list. Promote a special deal for new signups, and boom, you've got more people joining. Plus, you can get smart with it. Use offers that match what different folks like. Tailoring your message for each person makes it more likely that they'll bite. And the best part, you can see what's working. Check your stats. Who opened, who clicked, who bought. Use that info to fine-tune your game and keep the offers rolling. So, offer emails aren't just about making sales, though they're great for that. They're about keeping the excitement alive building loyalty, and growing your list. It's like a win-win-win for your brand. While the newsletter email gets a lot of focus in email marketing circles, don't fall into the trap of sending boring, uneventful newsletters just for the sake of sending a newsletter. This is a surefire way to make your followers hit that unsubscribe button. If you don't have anything important to say this week, skip it. Newsletters should build a vibe. They're not all sales pitches. They're more like a conversation. It's your opportunity to position yourself as more than just a brand. Instead, you're the go-to source for cool info, and they provide a sneak peek into your expertise. Share tips, insights, and trends. It's your chance to shine as an expert in your field. Sure, there's room for a promo or two, but it's not in your face. It's like slipping in a recommendation while catching up over coffee. And the best part, you can see how it's going. Opens, clicks, you get the stats. It's like a report card for your email game. Newsletters are your way of keeping it real with your audience. Regular updates, valuable content, and a bit of promotion, all rolled into one friendly email. For more information on creating highly effective newsletters, see our in-depth guide. Did you know that the average office worker receives 121 emails a day? Furthermore, open rates for marketing emails hover right around 18%. So, if you want your email to be one of the few that's actually open, you need to do something every now and then to make yourself stand out. An exclusive free gift email sprinkled into your email marketing campaign will work like magic to keep your subscribers engaged and, well, subscribed. Free gifts make your subscribers excited to open your emails, and they also build trust. When you give without asking for an instant buy, it's like saying, hey, we're here to help, no strings attached. You can also introduce new stuff this way, perhaps by offering a sneak peek or a sample or a trial, letting your subscribers test the waters risk-free. So, free gift emails aren't just about giveaways. They're about building connections, sparking excitement, and creating those aha moments in your subscribers' inboxes. There doesn't have to be some direct conversion goal behind every email you send. In fact, if you want your conversion-focused emails to be effective, you have to first earn your subscribers' trust. A value email is where you simply provide value with no strings attached. It could be a blog post, a dose of inspiration, or a simple tip. These emails are where you really start to build a relationship with your audience. And they're an absolutely critical component of high-converting email campaigns. When your emails consistently offer value, it shows that you're not just there for the quick sale. You're there for the long haul. They're also engagement boosters. People are more likely to open and interact with emails that have something beneficial for them. It's like giving them a reason to look forward to hearing from you. And it's not just about being informative. Value emails position you as the expert. Whether you're sharing industry trends or how-to guides, you become the go-to source in your customer's mind. These emails nurture relationships. Instead of bombarding people with promotions, you're saying, let's connect, and I'll share things that matter to you. In the end, value emails are about standing out. In a sea of promotional messages, providing consistent value sets you apart, creating a positive impression and a meaningful connection with your audience. A really good email marketing campaign isn't a monologue, it's a dialogue. Survey emails are like your direct line to the thoughts and feelings of your audience. It's basically asking them, hey, what do you think? This is your ticket to understanding your customers better. You toss out a few questions, and bam, you've got insights into what they like, don't like, and what would make them love you even more. Maybe there's a feature that needs a tweak or a service that could be smoother. Your customers will tell you, and you make things better. It's a win-win. And it's a cool way to engage with your customers. You're saying, your opinion matters to us. And people appreciate that. Your survey doesn't even have to be a lengthy questionnaire. You could simply ask your subscribers to rate their willingness to recommend you to a friend. Plus, all that feedback turns into data gold. You can use it to make smart decisions, like tailoring your messages based on what your audience really cares about. In other words, survey emails are your path to understanding and engaging with your audience. After you've delivered on your promises, you've earned the right to ask for a little something in return. A request email can be used to ask for a favor, such as a testimonial or a review. Since online testimonials are essentially currency in many industries, this is a high-returning email. Ever bought something because a friend said it was awesome? Testimonials work the same magic. They build trust. When potential customers see others loving your stuff, it's like a thumbs up for your brand. Asking for testimonials isn't just a business move. It's about including customers in your story. It shows that you care about their thoughts and experiences, turning them into part of your brand family. Sometimes you get more than just compliments. Testimonial requests can be a subtle way to gather feedback, learn what customers love, and where you can up your game. Happy customers create awesome content. Those glowing testimonials, they're marketing gold. Use them in emails, on your website, everywhere. Real praise speaks louder than any sales pitch, and they're good for search engines too. Positive testimonials can boost your online visibility, making it easier for new customers to find you. Even the not-so-happy feedback is a gift. It's like a roadmap, showing where you can make things even better and helping you stay in tune with customer satisfaction. Use that info to keep getting better and giving customers what they want. So, testimonial requests aren't just about collecting kudos. They're about building trust, boosting sales, and turning happy customers into your biggest cheerleaders. Subscribers want to feel like they're special. Re-engagement emails are like a friendly nudge to those subscribers who've gone a bit quiet. They're your way of saying, "Hey, we miss you," and enticing them to get back into the groove. Why are they important? Well, first off, it's like giving your email list a little health check. You want an active and responsive crew receiving your emails. Plus, it's often cheaper to win back someone who's gone silent than to find a completely new subscriber. These emails aren't just a generic blast. They're personalized to remind subscribers why they liked you in the first place. It's about sending the right message to the right people. Think of it as a brand revival. For those who might have forgotten about you, these emails jog their memory and bring your awesome products or services back into focus. Re-engagement emails also give you a chance to hear from subscribers. Why did they go quiet? Getting this feedback helps you fine-tune your email game for the future. So, in a nutshell, re-engagement emails are your secret weapon for getting your email list healthy, bringing back the old crew, and making sure your brand stays in the spotlight. When you launch a product, your subscribers should be the first to know. It's like your announcement to the cool club, your most engaged customers, sparking excitement and curiosity. But it's not just about showing off. New product emails are your sales pitch. With eye-catching visuals and maybe a special launch deal, you're aiming for immediate sales. Be sure to tailor your message based on what your customers love, making sure the news resonates. And make sure you're not just broadcasting. Instead, invite your audience to join the conversation and share the news. And while you're at it, don't forget to collect feedback. What do people love? What could be better? It's your chance to refine and improve. In a nutshell, new product emails are your spotlight moment. They create a buzz, drive sales, and keep your brand on the cutting edge. Picture reorder emails as your friendly nudge to customers saying, "Hey, love that last purchase? How about another round?" Why are they a big deal? Well, first off, they're like your personal invitation for customers to come back for more. It's all about turning one-time buyers into loyal, repeat customers. The cool part? It's like a tailored conversation. Reorder emails use what customers have bought before to suggest what they might need again. It's like having a personal shopper right in their inbox. And timing is everything. Reorder emails hit customers up when it makes sense, like when a product is due for a refill or replacement. It's all about catching them at the perfect moment. Reorder emails are your way of keeping the conversation going, making it easy for customers to come back and turning those one-time buyers into a long-lasting relationship. It's worth repeating that email subscribers like to feel valued and special. Whenever you're announcing something, send a simple email to your subscribers to let them know. This email takes very little time and is an effective way to build excitement. When you get people excited and talking, you're creating a buzz. It's like telling your subscribers you're in on something cool. Perhaps most importantly, these emails spark engagement. They get people clicking, visiting your site, and interacting with your brand. It's all about keeping your name in the spotlight, and they're a nudge to take action, whether it's making a purchase, signing up for an event, or exploring a new feature. Announcement emails guide your audience on what to do next. They're the spark that keeps your audience engaged and your brand in the limelight. Many marketers like to send out an anniversary email to thank subscribers for being a part of their list. You could celebrate the 1-year anniversary of your subscriber joining your list, or you could celebrate a big milestone for your list in general. Think of anniversary emails as a little virtual party for your customers. They're like your way of saying, hey, we appreciate you for sticking around. It's all about making your customers feel special. These emails celebrate the time they've spent with your brand, making them feel recognized and valued. And it's not just a celebration, it's an invitation. Throw in a special discount, exclusive content, and you're encouraging them to join in on the fun. Anniversary emails are your way of showing gratitude, making customers feel special, and keeping the good vibes going. It's like a cheers to the time they've spent with your brand. If you have the right tools in place, you can track when people add items to their shopping cart and leave before completing the purchase. Sending a nice email reminding them that they haven't checked out is an effective way to recover those lost sales. It's all about personal attention. Think of cart abandonment emails as your friendly way of saying, hey, we noticed you left something in your cart. And it's not just about the sale. Sometimes customers need a little extra info or reassurance. Cart abandonment emails step in to answer questions and make customers feel more confident about making that purchase. At the very least, it keeps the conversation going. Even if customers don't buy right away, the reminder can spark future interactions, turning a maybe into a definitely. In a nutshell, cart abandonment emails are your way of giving customers a little nudge, addressing concerns, and turning potential lost sales into wins. They're like a friendly voice saying, we're here whenever you're ready to complete that purchase. See our list of great abandoned cart email examples for more inspiration. In the world of email marketing, variety truly is the spice that keeps your brand in tune with your subscribers. Whether you're offering exclusive deals, sharing helpful content, or sending friendly updates, each email serves a purpose in your overall marketing narrative. By adapting your communication to the customer lifecycle and avoiding email fatigue, you ensure that your messages remain relevant and captivating. So, embrace the power of diversity in your email marketing. It'll help you drive engagement by connecting with your audience in meaningful ways, and it'll help you achieve your marketing objectives. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your go-to email type for engaging subscribers? Is it a re-engagement email, an offer email, or something else entirely? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.